Hey loves, in today's video we're going to do another sew-in. As you can see here, it's super flat, so it's another versatile. You'll think I'll be tired of frying my edges, but I just love my hair being able to do multiple things. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay to the end. Let's get into this video. So I like starting my mornings, or really afternoons, with a collagen smoothie. A lot of this stuff is on my TikTok, so if you're interested, you can follow me over there. But I've been giving my hair a serious break. I haven't done any pressing of my hair since the holidays. So when I came into the new year, I didn't mess with my hair at all. I just was like letting my hair reset all of January. And now we're in February. And I also was having issues finding good hair. So I went back and, found some good hair that I've already had. And so I'm going to use it to achieve this sew-in. And this hair is versatile because it's a Indian curly hair, and it is so pretty and so lovely. And just stay to the end to see if you can pick up on some of the techniques that I do to achieve this.
She was the girl from the Gucci store. She never wore any makeup, but she always couture. I got pimples, but my beauty mark should be. I got dry skin on my elbows and knees. I never liked it, wanted to be like her. Hate how you look at her, cause you never saw me like I was an RP, like I was an ordinary girl. I wish I was special, I give all my special away to a loser. No, I'm just a loser. It used to be special, but you made me hate me. Regret that I changed me. I hate that you made me just like you, just like you.
finally done. I know it looks a little nuts right now. Of course, I have to press it and style it, and that will be in the next video. But I am so happy that I am done with my hair, and I will be leaving this in for the next couple months. I'm thinking the end of April. Yes, there's pros and cons to a sew-in, but it just feels so good to have hair attached to my scalp. I don't have to worry about doing anything, adding anything other than doing low heat maintenance, minimum heat maintenance, no heat maintenance, washing and oiling my scalp. And so my hair will grow, because this year I think my hair will stay mainly braided down for the majority of the year. I think I'm going to get goddess plaits or goddess braids after I take this out. So that's why I said April, moving into spring, summer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm feeling myself now because I'm done. So happy to have it attached. And I'm acting bad, y'all. I'm acting real bad. But no, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for part 2 and 3. Here I'm just showing you how flat it is, and I'm able to do much. I'm sure if you've been here, you already know how this goes, but it just feels so good to have a sew-in again. So back to the old things, making them feel new again. So I'll see you guys in my next video.